What's going on, everyone? Corey Fulham, your car guy here. Welcome again to my shop. In today's video, I'm going to be continuing another project series video on my Cadillac. So this time we're going to be replacing the turn signal bulbs. So the turn signal bulbs are actually located right inside the housing right over here. We have to take out. There's one over here, one right there. And if we look on the other side, there's one right there and one right there. So we'll get these two things out. And they just come out like that. I'm just gonna have to set the camera down so you can watch me get one out. Look at that, look how easy that was. And all I gotta do is do the same for the other bulb right here. Get that out. Look at that, comes right out just like that. And now I just gotta do the same thing for these other bulbs over there. And it's nice and sunny out today, nice and hot. So it's definitely a really nice day to work on the car today. I'm trying to get this little thing off here. I'm gonna set that. Turn that counterclockwise, and boom, it's off. I'll just set that over here. Oops. Don't want that to fall. Okay, next bulb. There, and now it's off. And then we'll just go get our new bulbs and we'll prep them. And now we'll grab our brand new bulbs over here. Okay, so there's the receipt. This one cost like 48 bucks. It actually cost like $12.48 for four of these bulbs over here. GM genuine parts, AC, GM genuine part number 2057, amber color, turn signal lamp bulb that will fit my 1993 Cadillac Fleetwood with 176,000 kilometers. So get that over here, and they sent me another dash plaque to put on the refrigerator. It's actually a Pontiac, Bill's Pontiac built with Rock Auto parts. But that's really awesome. I just saw a lot of people building their vehicles with Rock Auto parts from rockauto.com. I mean, a lot of people were using Rock Auto parts to build their vehicles, but that's what I want to do to that car right there. I want to completely transform it and then just put new parts in. But for now, I'm just going to focus on putting the new bulbs in. See if I can even just get it out of the box. And there's the new bulbs. GM genuine parts one. Anything else in there? No, I think that's all garbage. There, we'll just go ahead and prep our brand new bulbs over here. So now we can go ahead and install the new bulbs in the housing. I think I'll start with this, the right side over here. I'll start with this first housing over here, which is that side. All we gotta do is put the new bulb, I might have to turn it around. Turn that clockwise so it's nice and locked. And now we can go ahead and do the same thing for these other bulbs on the housing over here on the left side. See that? Nice new shiny parts. And then we'll just go ahead and just carefully line it up in that spot. I might have to turn it around just to get it all lined up properly. There we go. And now we can go ahead and just line it up in there. Line up the housing, and then we turn that clockwise, and now that's locked into place. Lock it in, and then we got one more bulb we need to install, which is right there. It's this housing right there. Get it all lined up. I'm gonna have to turn it around. to get it lined up correctly. Man. Okay, I think I got it lined up. Oh, it's the wrong way. There we go. Now it's in there correctly. And now we should get it in there. And then just push it in. Turn that clockwise. And now it's in. And I think this means we're ready for the big test. So now we're ready for the big test. We're going to see if the turn signal bulbs will actually work. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the key in the ignition, turn it to the on position without starting it. So I'm going to go ahead and just turn on the left signal. And I'll go check it out. Look at that. That is nice and clear. And now we'll go ahead and try the right signal. Okay. Now for the right signal. Okay. That's looking pretty good. It's just awesome. I mean, look at this transformation. I mean, it's just absolutely incredible. And now, last but not least, we'll try the hazards. Push. Look at that. I mean, check this out, guys. So now I don't have to worry about the other bulbs failing, burning out, just because they were old. So now it's got new bulbs in there. They're brand new, so now I don't have to worry about it. Guess I better go and shut the hazards off. There we go. We'll turn the car off. There. Wow. And then, as you can see, I did get my hands all dirty from doing that. Same with my other hand too. So that definitely made a huge difference. I might have to clean those housings over here. They're full of dirt, so I might have to do the same for that side over here too. Anyways, she's working pretty good, so I guess I'll just close the hood. And I think the car is all good to go. Well, I think that's gonna pretty much wrap it up for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Now we got a nice new turn signal bulbs installed in that car, which is awesome. I mean, this transformation is absolutely incredible. Anyway, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Definitely consider clicking on the subscribe button because I've got lots more content coming up. And also don't forget to turn on these notifications by clicking on the bell so you can get notified of new uploads. And one more thing, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it really helps the video a lot. With that being said, be sure to stay tuned next time, guys. There is a lot more where it came from, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care, everyone.